Hey guys, Luke with PrimeTech Support here. So what we have is a GPU hardware tune-up, which consists of thermal pad replacement and thermal paste. These are integral to the unit as it's going to keep it running for a longer period of time. And obviously these two tools are used to cool the unit. Typically recommended if you're using the GPU heavily and you're mining, you might want to replace the thermal pads and paste every 6 months if possible, but if you're gaming, you can get away with it every year. But it's definitely recommended to do to ensure your GPU working correctly and optimally at all times. Thanks.